question about the timesheet that you probably get all the time. How do you put notes for the hours that you've typed into the timesheet?
Yeah, sure. That's pretty simple. Just find the cell that you want to put a note with. For here, I'm going to go ahead and do this 2.75 hours for mail handling. You don't have to actually highlight the number, just be inside of the cell. So I clicked my cursor inside the cell, and when I do that, the next step is to go down to the bottom right corner and click Notes in Detail. When I do that, it pulls up a little summary of that increment of time, and you'll see that the actual task name is highlighted in blue for mail handling.
Okay.
And you can leave that task name in the system as it is, or you can override it if you like. Most people, quite honestly, usually leave that name already in the system alone, and then they just type their notes right after the fact. So they would say something to the effect of mailed, maybe 24. And you'll see that here there's a spell checker.
Yeah. Nice.
So I just put mail 24 overnight packages. And when you're done, you just hit Save and Close down here in the bottom of the box, and you're done. And so those notes are in the system.
Okay.
And once you type time into the timesheet, it becomes what we call a time log, a historical record of time. So if you click over here to the right-hand side, just to the right of the timesheet, and click on the time log, you'll see basically the same information from the timesheet, but arranged in a different manner.
Okay.
So in this case, I want to find that increment of time where I type my notes in. So I'm going to go over here to the left-hand side where I have clients, projects, and users, and so on. And I'm going to go ahead and use this to filter my timesheet. That's what this menu item is for. So I'm going to open up my list of date ranges, and I'm going to say I just want to see all of the time for this week. And when I do that, it narrows down what I have in my window, and right here in the middle, you'll see that increment of time where I put the notes against that time log. So when I click on this guy, it just pulls it back up again where I can see the original information. And as you can see, it's the exact same thing that was in the timesheet. It's just in this window, it's arranged in a different manner. And you can sort by these headers at the top, by actual work, by the project name, or whatever you like. And then when you're done, you just click this little yellow X. It removes the filter and takes you back to your normal view. And that's it. So I can just click back over to the timesheet, and I'm ready to track more time.
All right. Well, that was it. That was the answer I needed. Thank you.
Okay, you bet. Thanks.